Trust who? What up, guys? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Everybody, say what's up to the live stream. We're live right now. Currently, we're live. Hamuzi is live. Look, Hamuzi is live in the cut. Trading. Join up. We're live on YouTube. Everybody, is today gonna be a good day? Chat, yo, chat. Today gonna be a good day, chat. Hamuzi's trading live. Everybody, search up Hamuzi on YouTube. Everybody, search up Hamuzi on YouTube to find the live stream. And that way, you guys can join the live stream. Chat, how's everyone's day doing? Good? Let me know how everyone's day. It's not live on my, just everybody just go to my free Telegram. Yeah, guys, is everyone in my free Telegram or not? Because I posted the link on my free Telegram. Make sure you guys are all in my free Telegram. Find a way. And then you guys should join my free Telegram. And yeah, what up, YouTube? Everybody say what's up to the chat. Say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up. All right, guys, join the Telegram. Peace out. Trust who? All right, guys, let's see. We have no swing low that got taken out yet on the 5-minute. Just the FYI. Just the FYI. I'm going to post this link right now. Just the FYI. Oh, whoa, guys. I need everyone to like up the stream right now. Whoever's in the stream, you guys got to all like up the stream. Everybody like up the stream, guys. We gotta get more likes in this. Okay, I'm sending out the link. All right, just popped up the link right now. Yeah, NASDAQ. There's no strong swing low. There's no RMR right now for NASDAQ, so it may show up in the macro. We'll see. We'll see what price does. We'll see if it wants to show up in the macro or not. Okay, everyone's saying gold. Let me go to gold. Swing high got rated. Okay, I'll give it my full attention probably. All right, guys. Okay, guys, how's the new setup? You guys like the new setup? You guys liking the new setup? First of all, guys, if this is your first time joining the stream, make sure to leave a like, guys. It's your boy Hamuzi. And yo, when I tell you guys, like, yo, this is the year I want you guys to all learn, bro. This is the year I want you guys to all learn, bro. I'm telling you guys, I need everyone who was in our last live streams. I want to know, according to everyone in our last live stream, how's our record been? How is our record right now? Who's in our last streams? How many wins have we been getting, guys? Be honest. No glaze, all honesty. Have you guys been seeing W's after W's after W's on the live stream? Swing low got rated, swing high got rated. We have a fair value gap right here. On the is this the opposite fair value gap? Let's see. Very small opposite fair value gap. But then the close range liquidity, if it closes, it needs to be less than that's too many points right there. How many of you guys have been in the live stream? Guys, right? W's after W's, guys. What's our record right now on stream, guys? I think we have one of the best records on live stream. I genuinely think our live stream, we have one of the best winning records and the best percentage record. We have one of the best, guys. Our record is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. We've been above industry standards, which is beautiful. And every trade we've been taking was absolutely beautiful. Do you guys want to see the stats for last week? Does everyone want to see the stats for last week? So this is a mix from the Signal group and the free live streams. Everyone want to see the stats? Who wants to see the stats? Guys, leave a like right now if you guys want to see the stats. Leave a like if you guys want to see the stats for last week. Leave a like on the stream right now. Okay. Oh. So guys, this is pretty much the strategy. I want to show you some guys something. This is an R market. Swing low got ready, swing high got market structure. There's a gap right here. We close above here. I need a CLRC right here. If you know, you know. This is a CLRC. Closure here increases probability. So if this is here, this is about 30.29. Usually I want it to be a bit closer, I'll be honest. About a certain amount that's less. But closure above the zone, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, that's not bad at all. You don't want this high to get taken out. It decreases the probability just a little bit if this swing high gets taken out. It does get taken out. It does get taken out. So the only way I can enter this trade is if price has a closure above here. But I'll teach you guys. Guys, how many of you guys are beginners, guys? Let me get an idea. I'll teach you guys like babies. How many of you guys are beginners versus how many of you guys already have an understanding a little bit? Not too much of the beginners. Bro, can you read chat? Yes, sir. I'm reading chat. Talk to me. Talk to me. How many of you guys are beginners? A lot of you guys are beginners. Okay, look, guys, if you're like complete beginners, don't worry. All of the stuff I may be saying right now may sound a bit confusing, but I promise I will choose a day, or I promise I'll have a time where I'll be able to break everything down to you like a baby. Does that make sense with everyone? Does that make sense? I will have a time where I will break it down to you where it's gonna make sense. Make sense? Make sense, everyone? Which asset am I trading? Guys, I'm currently looking at NASDAQ. Currently right now, I'm looking at gold. I'm looking at gold right now, but NASDAQ, if something comes, something comes. NASDAQ, if something comes, something comes. So look, guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys everything. Make sure, obviously, leave a like on the stream. Make sure you guys all leave a like. That's obviously very important. Check NASDAQ, market structure shift. Not yet. No market structure shift. Only on the 1 minute. I don't care about market structure shift on the 1 minute unless I get a thing. So guys, how many of you guys are new? Let's do a quick tally. How many of you guys are new? How many of you guys are new? How many of you guys are new? Yeah, this is trust who? Trust me, and I'm gonna set you free. Okay, guys, everyone like up the stream. Congratulations to everyone today. Not only are you going to be learning with me for free today, guys, but at the same time, guess what, guys? Guess what? You ready for what I'm about to say next? Not only are you guys going to be learning for free, but guess what the next thing is? I'm going to be giving away some funded accounts to you guys. I'm going to be giving away 50K accounts, $10,000 accounts, guys. So stay tuned. It's going to be dope. At the same time, you guys are also going to learn. So make sure you guys are going to watch until then. Guys, how many of you guys are going to watch until the end? Let me know right now. How many of you guys are going to watch until the end? Let me see. Whoever watches until the end, whoever is the most active, I'm going to be giving you a $50,000 account, guys. So again, I'll be giving the most active person a $50,000 account. So I want to see, guys, who's going to be active, bro. Who's going to be active? Who's going to be active? Who's going to be active? Who is it? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Trust who? All right, guys. Again, whoever's the most active, guys, like I said again, I got you guys. It's the same thing. So let me see who's active in the chat. It's gonna be dope, guys. Guys, who's excited, guys? Guys, who's excited? I'm just gonna post this link real quick. And I want to know who's excited, guys. I'm excited. I'll tell you that much. Guys, I'm excited, bro. Guys, get the likes up. Come on, guys. You guys want giveaways? You guys want this? We gotta get the likes up. Let's get the likes up, guys. Spam up the likes. All right, guys. Gold has a swing low got rated, swing high got rated, market structure shift left behind a fair value gap right here, chat. NQ. NQ is a pretty bigger market structure shift. Swing low got rated, swing high got rated. This one's a bit of a stretch though. Left behind a fair value gap. 1 minute time frame. No. Trust. Ooh. But it took out the close range liquidity. So now we wait, chat. Okay, everybody. How's everyone doing today? Good? Okay, so again, guys, how many of you guys are new? I promise you, if you're new, this stuff may sound just a little bit complicated, but I promise eventually it's going to make so much sense to you guys, okay? I promise it's going to make so much sense to you guys later on. Alhamdulillah. Is there any news at 10? Let's check Forex actually. Trust who? Everybody, how was everyone's week? How was everyone's week? How was everyone's week? Hey guys, we want this to go down. All right, if this goes down, gold goes up. Okay. So this goes down, then we're on gold. It makes gold go up. So this is the opposite correlation. So to help with the win rate of gold, you want to correlate it with DXY, which is the US dollar. And if the DXY is like, let's say, going down again, and let's say there's liquidity for it to chase, let's say like these relative equal lows, and then it starts to go down and attack it. Look, if I switch to gold right now, it's going to be going up. All right. So that's why it's a bit up right now. But again, you want DXY to get taken out because they do opposites, right? When the US dollar goes down, gold goes up. So this fair value gap plus this equal lows. Again, if it just pushes down, struggling a bit, and then it'll show that gold wants to go up. Same thing, struggling a bit, trying to push out of this high. Same thing with DXY. It's struggling, trying to take out these equal lows, you know? See, as it starts to go down and go down, look, boom, 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 gold starts to go up. Boom, it just took out that low right now. So now gold. All right, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. So gold should start to break a high. DXY USD. See, DXY is going down. That means gold push up. What chart are you guys using? And then if DXY goes up, that means if it goes up, that means gold will go down. But the fact that this is going down and gold isn't moving just yet, suspicious. Suspicious. See, starting to go up and then gold going very suspect. Pretty much waiting right now, guys. See NQ. I hope we get a setup today, guys. I would love for us to get a setup. Yo, guys, if you just joined the live stream, leave a like. How many of you guys left a like on the stream? Let me know right now. Look at that. DXY is going down. We just need gold to follow. So when DXY goes down, gold goes up. But the thing is just once we get a retracement to the upside for DXY, it's just gonna help gold go down. So what that means is it needs to go down, take out this low so gold can go up and break free. You see, this is weird. The fact that it's going down and there's no explosion move, that's not good. I should want this low. Once it takes out this low, I think the XY is going to start to go up just a little bit. Yeah, my bad. How many of you guys liked up the stream? Let me check. Everyone like it up. See, I told you guys. Now look at DXY. Okay, that's the explosion I wanted. Finally. Yeah, that was now you see, now it's gonna breathe, it's gonna go up, and it's an excuse for gold to kind of retrace down a bit. Okay, yes, I'm gonna give you a step by step of my strategy, kind of what I look for to enter the market. So just stay tuned for that, guys. Whoever watches until the end is gonna get a gem. That's what I always say. Whoever watches until the end always gets a gem. Okay, let me read chat. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start reading chat now. Chat. What's up? Chat. What's up? No. I trade gold and NASDAQ, guys. Those are the two pairs I trade. I trade gold and NASDAQ. I trade gold and I trade NASDAQ. Okay, so this is what we want. I'm gonna redraw everything for you guys again. Damn, it just got bright. Okay. So now, guys, we will have this marked out as the market structure shift. So we have swing low got rated. Guys, all you have to do is master my strategy, and you guys will be able to, swing high got rated, swing low got rated, sorry, swing high got rated, market structure shift, leg that, or actually right here, this is a good swing low. This is the most recent swing low that got rated. Swing low got rated, boom. Swing high got rated, boom. Market structure shift, leg that caused it left behind two fair value gaps, one here and one here. So now we'll see which one it respects, and then we enter for buys, and that's it. Take advantage. Take advantage! Stay low, stay low, stay low. We get a 1 minute SMT. Make this a gap. Do not go up. Do not go up. Do not go up. Oh, shouldn't have went up. You like the vibes? You guys rocking with Hamuzi? Trust who? Trust me, and I'm such a friend. Yes, I will be discussing today's strategy. Everyone, leave a like, guys. Leave a like on the stream. How many of you guys are gonna be watching the series where I turn $1,000 into 100,000? How much you guys gonna be watching that? Let's go to NQ real quick. See what NQ got to say. NQ is moving. Wasi. NQ swing low got rated, swing high got rated, right? But no entry. Again, guys, whoever's the most active in the chat today, if there's a high chance I'm just gonna give you the funded account. So you better be active. I don't care who you are. If you're active, high chance that you're gonna win a funded account. Okay, guys, I'm looking at silver. As you can see, there's a clean SMT here. Very clean SMT, bullish SMT, off of this higher time frame bullish RMR. So there's a clean SMT. I'd probably enter off the inversion of this 30-second. I would prefer a 1 minute entry, but we don't got it. So let's see. Let's see if we can make a 1 minute entry. Because if we close here without taking out this high, then we make a CLRC and then we can enter for buys. You know the market's bad when I'm only focusing on gold. NASDAQ should have been exploded by now. Whoa, that was quick. Holy smokes. Did it close above? You gotta be careful with gold. Bro, you gotta be careful with gold, bro. That boy will get you out of nowhere. Yeah, it didn't close, by the way, guys. Yeah, it did not close. You know what price is doing? It wants to come back down to give us a bearish revive gap. Love your craft, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Much appreciated. I think it took out this internal high, by the way. Yeah, took out that internal high. So we made a bearish SMT. No, actually, no. Come down, come down. Who's ready, guys? Patience. Patience. Oh, yo, guys, I'm looking for clippers. Who wants to be my clipper? If you're my clipper, you'll get a funded account. You'll be paid in funded accounts. Who wants to be a clipper for Hamuzi? Who has experience clipping on TikTok, clipping on Reels, clipping the live stream? Looking for clippers. Everyone except Rap. Who looking for clipper? I'd love to be your clipper. Okay, Encore. Encore says he'd love to be my clipper. Shout out to Encore. Who else wants to be a clipper? Godfred wants to be my clipper. Boom. Bro wants to be my clipper. Oh, Shabby. What's up, Shabby? Who else wants to be my clipper, guys? I'm looking for clippers. I'm doing live 3 days a week, guys. Guys, I live stream every time, 3 times a week on this channel. I live stream every day, 3 times a week. Okay. Anime wants to be my clipper. Guys, look, we're locked in on 3 clippers. Look at that. Julie wants to be my clipper. That's 4 clippers. Sato said, let me be your clipper. That's 5 clippers we got so far. Let's go. All right, guys. So I live stream every day at 9:30. Oh, 6 clippers. Sharon says he wants to be my clipper. Boom. We locked in on 6 clippers already. I have an AI machine, NA8, that can clip for you. Boom. Hitter. Message me. I got another clipper. That's 7 clippers. Devon. Boom. Wants to be my clipper. That's 8 clippers. We got 8 clippers locked in now. 30 seconds. Let's see what's happening. Bubba 2. That's 10 clippers already. We're locked in. Oh my gosh. We're going viral. We're going viral. So like I was saying, guys. Oh, Michael also wants to be a clipper. Bro, we got bare people that want to be clippers. We're locked in. So guys, listen. Listen very closely. I live stream 3 times a week. Everyone write this down. Everyone have their note and paper? Write this down so you'll never know. So you always know. I live stream, okay? 3 times a week. Every week. 9:30 in the morning until 11 a.m. Okay? 3 times a week. The days I'm live streaming is Tuesday. Everyone write this down. So in case you don't get notified, you can always search up Hamuzi and then find the live stream. The days Hamuzi goes live is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9:30 a.m. in the morning until 11 a.m. in the morning. New York time. I'm going to say it one more time so everyone knows. All right, write this down. Hamuzi is going to go live 3 times every week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday at 9:30 a.m. New York time. So everyone, make sure you guys write that down right now so you guys all know. Trust who? Trust me and I'm gonna set you free. I'm the new MVP. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, write that down. Write that down, okay? As you start to see me trade live more and more and more, you'll get more conviction. I need people who is in my last live streams. What's our win rate when it comes to the live stream? How many wins have we been taking versus how many losses on the live stream? How crazy has it been? Only if you've been in the live stream, you should know. Forget about the signal group even. Just on the live stream. Has it not been insane, guys? W after W. It's a high win rate. Like super high on live stream. On this, like on live stream, our win rate is very high. Very high. So who wants to see the stats for last week? Who wants to see last week's stats that I was sending out in the signal group? That I was sending out on my signal group and the live stream combined. Who wants to see the stats? Exactly. That's the schedule. Okay, guys. So if you've been active for the past week, took every single trade, exited properly, entered properly, didn't miss any trades all of last week, this is what the stats is looking like. We have 2 types of traders in our groups. We have the traders that close at a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay. So on the right side is the traders that close at 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay. At 1 to 2, they're up 7%. 7% in the signal group. They're getting a bit more trade, so their RR is staying. But on live stream, obviously, we're only taking 1 trade. But for the past week, we've taken 19 trades pretty much in the signal group. So obviously, the more trades you take, your win rate drops a little bit, right? 19 trades taken again, right? With a 1-to-1, 63% win rate, we had a 5R. Okay, this is an honest thing. A lot of people, they put unrealistic numbers. This is what we have. So 5R means a 5% gain for one-to-one traders for last week. Okay, and a 7% gain for the 1-to-2 traders. All right, this right here with this PNL, this is the type of PNL you want. Does that make sense to everyone? Another R means like percent. R is another word for percent, right? So this is what we did pretty much with if you include the live as well as the thing. Our weekly goal is at least to get a 4% weekly, right? But obviously we surpassed that last week, right? So this is just a breakdown, right? We're gonna have an end of the month stats, right? But do you see how the PNL curve works though? You see how we had a day like this, but then slowly we took some loss and it went down, but then we took a W, but the loss was small, bigger W, loss was small, and then big back W's. Does that make sense, guys? This is the type of PNL that you want because this is what's gonna keep you in the game long. Does that make sense, everyone? Does that make sense? Or if you heighten up for a higher win rate, then it's fine. But then when you do win, lose, win, you end up going up. Does that make sense to everyone? Right. So this is pretty much the stats in the signal group. So yeah, guys. So and the live stream as well. But the live stream, obviously, I don't know why, but the live stream win rate is disgustingly high. But yes. This is pretty much what I want to show you guys. This is the realism of trading. So how many clippers do we have today, guys? 9 people. Who else wants to be clipper? So for the guys that close out 1-to-1, they're up 5%. So let's say you close out 1-to-1 every trade. 1-to-1, people are like, oh, 1-to-1 is closing too early. No, they're up 5%. 1-to-2 guys, they're up 7%. Pretty close too. All right, guys, let's get the likes up on the stream. Like up the stream right now. If you just join, like up. All right, listen, everyone. I need everyone. Okay, bro, we have 10 clippers so far. Holy. Yo, if you guys are serious about clipping, then hit my email. It's rafi@gmail.com. Let's go. I love it. So, yo, anytime we get a win, make sure you guys record the screen, proper thing. Or if someone has, who's the person that said they had the NAN? Send that my way. Just message me. Make sure you guys are all in the Telegram. Is everyone in my Telegram? Everyone in my free Telegram or no? Me, I'm here. Yeah. Just make sure, guys. I want to have a clip army. Message me on Instagram. Actually, no. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, message me on Instagram, I think. Yeah, try Instagram. Comment. Just spam in my comment. Be like, hey, I'm the guy that was gonna clip, blah, blah, blah. Just on a few of my posts, just hit in the comment and then you'll pop up my notification. Guys, so this is what I want, bro. We have our setup. We have a bullish SMT. Market wants to go up. So the question is, let it just go up. The market wants to go up. We got a 5-minute low that got taken out right here. Then we got a swing high. So we do have a market structure shift plus the SMT. So price does respectfully want to go up. But the only problem is finding our inversion fair value gap within the macro. Now, I know statistically our probability is at a absolute banger of a win rate. But one thing that will make things for certain is the fact that patience pays, right? Now, a lot of people, they think patience don't play. And they think that the bestest way to make money is to just risk more. But in all honesty, that's actually incorrect. That's not how you do it. The best way to be the best trader is the only way to be the best trader. And what's that? The most simplest way as possible, which is what? Which is being patient. Now, what I expect price to do in a little bit is obviously we do have a 5-minute bullish SMT inside of a higher time frame fair value gap that does attract price to take out the next draw on liquidity. Now, us as human beings do require patience, again, because we know where price wants to go, but that's not the issue. The issue is not about knowing where price wants to go. The issue is about finding the entry to attack price. Yes, we have 2 out of all 3 entry things that we need, but it is absolutely fine. And one of the things that you guys have to understand is FOMO. Do not have FOMO. Does everyone hear me? FOMO is real. You feel like the trade's going to miss out. And what do you end up doing? You end up gambling. So don't do that. Make sense with everyone? Make sense? Does that make sense? Yes, no, right? Look at that. You guys all see that? See that little high? Let's get some energy in the chat. Let's get some energy in the chat. Come on, guys. Let's get some energy in the chat. Who's hyped? Who's hyped? We got to treat this like we're in a football stadium, guys. Come on. I got multiple voices because my sister, she moved to the UK. So I'm voice in and voice out. Let's go, guys. Energy. Come on. Full energy, full energy, full energy. Hype me up. Oh. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? You guys seeing that high that's about to get taken out? Now we have momentum and price. What do we want now, guys? What do we want, guys? We want price to do what, guys? We want price to give us a higher time frame fair value gap. Again, why, guys? We have a shift in structure. Does that make sense with everyone? We have a shift in structure, right? This is what we want. NASDAQ is not giving us anything good. What does that mean now? If NASDAQ is not giving us anything good, what are we going to do, guys? We're going to switch over to what? We're going to switch over to gold. Does that make sense? Right? I'm going to give you guys a good analogy, okay? Let's say, you know, something is, whoa. We're looking at a pretty nice setup, guys. Eyes on NASDAQ. Look at my student. My student just texted me eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. We have a CLRC right here. We have to invert this. Let's go to SPX, guys. ES. We have an SMT inside of the higher. Do we have the SMT? Come on. Bless me here. Bless me, brother. Right there, guys. We have a bullish SMT. This is the entry model that I love. On NASDAQ. Go to the 5-minute time frame. What do we have here? We have a swing low here that got rated, swing high that got rated, market structure shift, right? We have a few engineered liquidity points, right? What I want to see price do, I want to see price disrespect this bearish fair value gap. As we disrespect this bearish fair value gap, I want closure above here. And this is the type of setup that I'm happy to lose on, okay? Because it's my setup. Does that make sense, guys? In trading, like I said, I showed you guys the PNL. I showed you guys the statistics, right? I showed you guys what I do to pretty much get my a solid percentage, you know, about 4, 5, 6, 7% for the week. This is what I want. Closure above here, CLRC. I need the close range liquidity to be at least about less than 15 points, which already shows it in of itself. So again, if we get closure above here, this is my entry, and then I'm going to enter for buys. I'm going to enter the market. One thing I love about my students, look at this, guys. This is Ibrahim. Ibrahim is 12-1 when it comes to his record, okay? Everything I taught him from the ground up. Everything I taught him. So, guys, get the likes up, guys. Like up the stream. This is still fine. Even if we dip a little bit, it's fine because we can get another internal SMT. So, this is fine. Going back to gold, gold is showing its pressure, but one thing at a time. One thing I learned is that if you're looking at one pair, focus on one pair. Stay consistent to that one pair. So this is what I'm currently looking at right now, guys. Again, I want closure. If we can close a little bit, let's say we average closing here. It's about 10. It's still below that. Still at a medium point that I like. So again, we have here. So we didn't make an internal. We still have a previous SMT. That's fine. So how many seconds left? We have 59 seconds left until the new candle. It's been how many candles since the SMT? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4. The more candles it takes after the SMT happens, the probability starts to drop a little bit. Does that make sense, everyone? The probability starts to drop a bit. Usually what tends to happen is once we get our SMT and we tap into the higher time frame fair value gap, no, I'll tell you when to enter. You'll know when to enter. Once we tap into this and we make a bullish SMT, what ends up happening is I want, after like 1, 2, 3 candles, maybe, I want to push up immediately. Okay, I want us to get our entry model right after that. Make sense with everyone? Who's hyped, guys? Get the streams up, bro. Like up the stream, guys. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. I'm going to tell you guys when I will look for or when I'll enter in for buys. But anyways, how you guys doing? Everyone doing good? So this let's go on a 15-minute. What's the 15-minute saying? 15-minute for gold. Swing low here got rated. Boom. Swing high here got rated. Boom. Market structure shift, right? We have 12 minutes to not. I don't think that's gonna happen, but look, we have 12 minutes to keep this as a gap, but I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think it's gonna happen. Come back to NASDAQ. NASDAQ here. What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ. Let's see. Do we have? It's a pretty big fair value gap, so it can be reused. It can be reused if anything. It can be reused. Remember, guys, whoever is active, whoever is the most active is the guys that I'm giving away the funded account to. Whoever's the most active in the chat. I'm watching the chat. I'm seeing the chat right now. Whoever's the most active, you guys are, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, chat? You know what I'm saying? Again, guys, looking for clippers, looking for some clippers. I'm not gonna lie, guys, we've been winning a lot. I could have been posting all those W's. I could have been posting a lot of W's that we've been taking. Bro, I'm trying to get my lighting to let me call my studio director advisor. Yo, R, how do I get the lighting to work? Is there like a switch or do I have to do an app?
Yeah, from the back of the light.
The back of the light is a switch?
Yeah.
This is for the big one, right?
Yeah.
Is it the one on the right or the one on the left?
Oh.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it on 100% or what?
Oh yeah. I think you got it, yeah. How do I know if it's on 100%?
You can see it from the screen, from the back.
Oh, from the back.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think it's good now. Yeah, I think I got it. Thanks. All right, peace out. Appreciate it, boy. Is the lighting better, guys? How's the lighting, guys? Did it get better? Guys, let's get this to 100 likes. We're almost there. Okay, guys, looking at NASDAQ currently. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is a meh setup unless we got a new SMT. Let's see. Okay, we got a pretty decent SMT. Okay. decent SMT. We're starting to creep into the macro. Okay, you can delete this now. This still never got disrespected. So you know what? We'll reuse this GIFEG. We'll reuse this GIFEG. I want to get strong closure above here. So this can be the close range liquidity point. Hopefully if we don't close above here, or this one above here. 2 fair value gaps, which means you should have a bigger stop loss. Yeah. SMT. Good close range liquidity points. Okay, guys, this is the setup I've been waiting for the whole morning. Again, this is the type of setups I enjoy. This is what I call my setups. Okay, there's a 2-minute bearish for Vigo. So there could be a 2-minute inversion entry. But the only thing is that, yeah, if we close here on the 2-minute and we close here on the 1-minute, that'll be beautiful. 39 seconds. Don't take out that high. Don't take out that high. Do not take out that high. Do not take out that high. Do not take out that high. Okay, we took out that high. We took out this high. This makes a difference in price. Now there's no longer close range liquidity, guys. Okay, this makes a big difference. I know, but this is the science behind trading. You have to have a criteria. Guys, if you do not have a criteria when you trade, you will never be profitable in your life. You will never, ever, ever see a payout in your life. If you do not have a criteria, you will never see a payout in your life. If you break your rules, you will never see a payout in your life. You understand? You have to have a criteria. You have to. I don't care if this trade flies and goes up now. I need to have a criteria. Although, yes, the 2-minute, we did inverse the 2-minute. So in technicality, there is an entry here on the 2-minute model, right? But you'll have to have your stop loss all the way at the SMT, which is already going to be a super wide stop loss, and then targeting like maybe these equal highs. You're looking at a 1 to 1.5, not 1 to 2, about right here, and then target this little mini equal high points. That's for the 2-minute model entry. But me, I want my 1-minute model entry, and at the same time, I want to have a close range liquidity point, which is going to increase my probability, right? So that's what I want. That's my model. Trust me, and I'm gonna set you free. I don't know everything. Again, guys, you have to have a criteria. Make sense, guys? Does that make sense, everyone? You stop having FOMO, guys. This is what's keeping you in the circle of never seeing a payout. Does that make sense? Do you guys feel like you're in a circle where like, oh yeah, and then you boom, you blow an account. Oh yeah, boom, you blow an account because you don't have a criteria. Master criteria. Does that make sense? Look at this. Look at this. Read this chat. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Read this. What did he say? What did one of my top students now just say? What did he say? Read it. No, make it focus. What did he say? On his own. What did he say, chat? Read it. What does he say? Oh, you guys can't read it? Anyways. Oh, shit. Okay, what about now? What did he say? Can you guys read it now? Can you guys read it now? Okay, anyways, he said, no close range liquidity. Boom, not entering. Look at this. Didn't I tell you guys how this makes it different? Didn't I tell you how this little thing made a big difference? And that's why I didn't enter off the 2-minute model? You get what I'm trying to say, guys? Do you see how this made a difference? Now the price just dropped like that. There's a science behind this, guys. There's a science behind this that I'm trying to explain to you guys that you guys will soon understand. There's a science behind this, guys. All right? Your job is to figure it out. Just like a scientist would do. He has this, hypothesis. You do your hypothesis. You do it. You go again. You do it. You go again. You do it until you find what eventually is perfect for you, right? And that's the art of trading. You are gonna understand this, guys. There's no more. I'm tired of you guys just blowing and blowing and blowing. No more blowing, guys. No more. Now it's your season to lock in. Who's with me? Who's with me, chat? Who's with me? Who's locked in with the boy? Who's locked in, guys? Avoiding a loss is just as good, just as important, just as amazing as that. Does that make sense? I'm telling you guys, lock in, try it, right? Um, get you guys. I'm pretty sure, yo, guys, if I'm not mistaken, AquaFutures is having 65% off if you use AquaTV. So go to the link, guys. Go to the link in the description. Get yourself an AquaTV account and try this strategy. Just try it. See how good it is. Try it. Right? Let's see who's been active in the chat. I want to see who's been active. Who's been active? All right, guys. This is my new swing high point, by the way. Right here. Right there. That's my new swing high point. I want to be a clipper. Let's go, man. If you want to be a clipper, contact who do I send you to, man? But yo, the fact that you want to be a clipper, I'd love to see it. Yo, guys, yo, I think it's about time. Like, I'm trying to have the craziest production team, bro. Like, I'm talking crazy. Muhammad Walid. What's up? Okay, guys, this could be the entry. This could be the entry model. No, wait, what? What is he saying? What is this? This is gold or NASDAQ? I don't think it's in the live stream. Bro, been watching you this past 2 weeks and think it's time for me to lock in. All right, be honest, bro. Drew, for the past 2 weeks, you've been watching me live. How has the win rate been? How has the trading been? How has everything been? Is it dope or what? Has it been dope? You've been seeing it live? Have you gotten your conviction that, yo, I actually know how to trade? Are you like, whoa, you know what? I seen this guy do it live so many times. And you're like, bro, I have conviction. This guy's my future mentor. This guy's my bro, this guy gets it. So, brother, can we enter? Rafi, calm down, brother. Be patient. Right? We want to wait for our actual setup to come, right? We want to wait for this inversion to happen here. Boom. And then we want closure above here with a clean SMT. I need to pay my bills for the month. Oh, gold for the continuation on that 15-minute, on that 5-minute, right? We have swing low got rated, swing high got rated, market structure shift, second leg market structure shift. Because of this high that got rated, it's a candle closure above right here. 1 minute time frame looking at gold. We still have to close above this volume imbalance. I didn't close yet on this bearish side. Close range liquidity from here to here. I'm not a fan. Oh, I'm gonna talk to you about this. Fine. 33 points, something like that. Are you asking for my free Telegram or my Signal Telegram? Which one? Hamuzi, can I hit you about your mentorship? Yeah, you can hit me up. Just message me. Just comment. If you guys comment on my post, if you guys spam comment on my post, like something important, straight to the point, it'll pop up my notifications, but also DM me too. DM me as well at the same time. And one of my students said eyes on NASDAQ. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is how you know you've created amazing students, guys. Look at this. Eyes on NASDAQ. This is Jama. This is how you know you created amazing students, bro. Like the fact that they can see something potentially about to happen. You know what I'm saying? You don't reply. I do reply. And if anything, if it's questions in regards to, like for instance, if you guys have questions about the mentorship, you guys want to join the mentorship, you're like, yo, this guy's crazy, he's insane, and you have a thing, you guys can shoot me an email here. Look, I'm gonna put it here for like 2 seconds and I'm gonna put it down. But Hamuzi the Goat 6 at gmail.com. Right. So it is closed. It is closed. But look, you can shoot me an email here. If you send me a long paragraph as to why I should accept you to the one-on-one, it is paid. I'm not gonna lie, it is expensive. I'll be honest with you. So it's only for really committed students. But if you send me a long paragraph on my email, why I should reopen it just for you, then I'll consider it. You know. But again, like I said again, it is expensive, and like I said again, it's complete one-on-one. You get my phone number. I break everything down to you step by step, and pretty much you'll be just like these students who's able to send me the market live. You know, live as the market goes up. So that's my email over there. Like I said again, it is expensive. So if you feel like you can't, don't worry. You don't have to email me or whatnot. Just continue with the live streams. But that's the email there. If you want to be a future one-on-one student who gets my cell phone number, take a screenshot right there. Shoot me an email. Again, it has to be a long paragraph. I have to see that you're extremely serious, and then we'll get on a phone call and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Peace out. Okay. How do I undo this pin? I made 7 figures operating different offers at 4%. Can I send you a video on that? Huh? What? So, anyways, that's the email. So you guys can shoot me an email there. Okay. So now let's go to NASDAQ. I'm not a fan of the gold, that gold setup. So I'm gonna talk to Walid about that. It's a little silly. Because there's no initial swing low that got rated. It's a second leg market structure shift. I don't like second leg market structure shift. Okay. Yeah, we're coming into the macro. Even Jama said how we you see how we respected this hourly gap. You know, price kind of just zoomed up from there. On the 5 minute, we're looking good. On the 15 minute, we're also looking pretty sweet. So the 5 and the 15 minute is looking sweet. Yeah, this is looking good, guys. This is looking pretty good. Just want closure out here, and then we're there. My students are seeing the same thing I'm seeing. I'm getting messages right now. Get ready for buys, guys. Get ready for buys. Oh, get ready to clip this. Again, this is my setup. This is my setup. This is not. There, right here, lower low, NASDAQ here. So this is the SMT that I talk about. This is a Kraken correlation. So anytime there's an SMT, usually we expect a type of reversal to the upside. But even if that's the case, closure here, we need to have it less than 15 points. So that would be less than 50 points is fine. We have relative equal highs as well here. Little EQH. Swing high, swing high, swing high. It's just the market structure shift is a bit, you know? Where's my... Okay, we'll do this. Yeah, that's fine. So swing low here got rated. Yeah, we'll do this the raid, this the market structure shift, this the gap. Okay, that's fine. RMR is good. RMR is good. Okay, guys, get ready to enter for buys. Get ready to enter for buys. Right into the macro too at 1050. This is a good setup, guys. This is a good setup. I need closure above this gap. Even if we barely close, yeah, we're still good even. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles after SMT. Do we have an internal SMT? Where do you normally place your stop loss? Okay, so if I were to enter this trade, because there's already going to be a CLRC and the fair value gap's already big, I would probably put my stop loss right here. Actually, no, I'd put my stop loss here. Put my stop loss here behind the GIFVG because there's no other bullish fair value gap. So I put my stop loss here. Let's say our entry was around here, and then I'd go for at least a 1 to 2. But then at 1 to 1, I have my. We're not entering right now, by the way. Just I hope you guys know. This guy asked me where he's gonna put the stop loss. So once we close above, like I said again, once we close above, I'm gonna put my stop loss here behind this GIFVG. And then this is gonna be our 1 to 1. So usually I have traders in my signal group where if I'm like, okay, 1 to 1 close fully, they close fully at 1 to 1, and then I have other ones that close that fully at 1 to 2. All right. So you decide which one you want to be. Oh wow, nice. I think Muhammad Ali took a W on gold. Okay, okay, okay. I was looking at NASDAQ, but look, guys, as you can see, one of my students, he just took that W on gold. He called it out too. I think he said buy. Yeah, he called it out 10:43. That's what I love to see. Yeah, gold buys right there. That'll make me bigger. Right there. Now you guys can see for sure. So right there, no, go up. Yeah, so right here, he said buys. Boom. Look at that, Muhammad Walid. Good job, bro. Good job, Muhammad Walid. Right here, gold buys. Look at that, and then full TP got hit on that gold entry. W Muhammad Walid, guys. W Muhammad Walid. I think he entered off of the. I think that's when we're looking at NASDAQ though, but I think he entered off of. I don't like the second like market structure shift. Sure, swing low got rated, swing high got rated. Yes. Swing low got rated, swing high got rated. Market structure shift. Left behind the gap. I know he probably had his SMT somewhere here. And then his entry. I think his entry was this fair value gap. I don't think it was the volume imbalance. So this fair value gap, that was his GIFEG. No, it needs to close outside. That's the problem. I'm gonna talk to him about this. This is sometimes winners can be something, but it's good though. It's good. The idea is correct. The idea is correct, but that's a good thing we're in the one-on-one. So I can break it down in super easy mode for him. Oh guys, I'm Marv, bro. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm hungry, guys. Oh, I'm hungry, guys. Let's see if we got a new SMT here. We're in the macro. We're in the macro. No, this looks like we took a loss. We did not even trade. Let's see, guys. When are we going in? I will let you know, Christina. I will let you know. Let's see, guys. Okay, we're about to close outside. Please, please, please make us a new SMT. I don't like the trade. Look, I'm gonna tell you now while we're still on that trade. I like it when we have an immediate V-shaped looking thing. Entry. Let me show you quickly. So this can be saved. Right here. I like it when price does this. Right here, then inverses it immediately. And then we go up. Does that make sense? I don't like it when we we'll say this right here so then you know. I don't like it when we inverse, come up, come down, then come up. I don't usually like that. I'm just letting you know right now, guys. There's two different types of things for you guys to know. Okay, there's two different types. There's one where you make a V-shaped close above, immediately after you close above, it goes up. Or there's a second one where you kind of make a V shape and then make a new MSS. I don't like that part of the GIFEG. But we're in the macro. 47 seconds left. So guys, once we close above here, we're gonna enter for buys. Closure above here, we're gonna enter for buys. I'm probably gonna put my stop loss down here because I'm not expecting. If we have close range liquidity from here to here, it doesn't make sense for this trade to be in drawdown, especially since it's less than a certain amount. Yeah, I don't see why. So I'll put it just below this order block right here. So put my stop loss down here. So guys, we're gonna enter for buys in a bit. But when we enter for buys, I want the candle to be bullish. So I want there to be more of the body covered above than below. Okay, then if there is, then I'll put that up again. All right, so It needs to close. It needs to close. But again, where would I put my SL? Oops. I put my SL right here, but the body has to close pretty nicely. And then what can we target? We have relative equal highs right here. Relative equal highs here. Let me delete this so people don't get confused. Then we have what? Again. Okay, 20 seconds left. Okay. I want to see it close with displacement, please and thank you. Okay, right here. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, finessed us. They hit us with a step back. It hit us with a step back. Remember, guys, we need that close. It has to close. Mind you, what did I say before? What did I say before? I said after SMT, it can't be too many candles. It's already at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So at least let's get a new SMT or something out here. You know what I'm saying? Patience. This is why you wait. Okay, wait. We can get a new GI feature entry. Don't go up. Don't go up. Don't go up. Habibi, don't go up. This is gonna be a nice setup. 40 seconds left. Make this a gap. Make this a gap. Don't go up yet. Okay, I think it's gonna stay a gap. So this is the new GI feature now, guys. Please tell me I bring my iPad. Okay, this is the new GI setup. Now we have an SMT. Okay, it's the SMT. Guys, this is the entry. Get ready. We're about to enter buys right now. We're about to enter for buys right now. Get ready, guys. We're about to buy. Close range liquidity. I even have to measure this. I know it's, yeah. And ready, set. Okay, bye, guys. Buy. Buy, 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 buy. Buy, buy, buy. We'll put my stop loss here at the SMT. Well, the 12.75 point SL. About right there. And then you go for, it's a pretty big R trade. You have a double SMT. Close range liquidity. So, yeah, this is a good setup in the books. This is a good setup in the books. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. We have our 1-to-1 area. We have our 1-to-2. We have our, the things that we want, that we love to have. Lovely. 1-to-1's almost hit. I think our 1-to-1 got hit actually. Let me double check. Let me double check. Let me double check. No, almost. This is our 1-to-1 level. Right there. Boom. Mark it out. The guys that close out 1-to-1. Yeah, stop loss was regardless going to be tight. And then we got there. And then we got. Sorry, this high is our 1-to-2 right here. Trust who? Trust me, and I'ma set you free. I knew pain. Okay, 1-to-1 just got hit. The yellow line is right here. 1-to-1 just got hit. It got tagged. Sorry, look, my right side screen. So the 1-to-1 got tagged. 1-to-1 hit. So security. So shout out to the 1-to-1 guys. You guys made your money. So 1-to-1 are guys. Yo guys, by the way, when your stop loss is at like 9.75 or pretty small, those are the times you have to increase in contract. Yeah. Yeah, the cool thing is the lack of psychology, I think. The lack of mental psychology that the 1-to-1 guys have, right? Because what happens is when you're in and out, what that does for you psychologically is it gives you less psychological pressure. Bro, you are always tired. Why? What? What did you say? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 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 So who closed that 1-to-1? So holders, I guess. If you didn't get hit at break even, you have this little GIFEG level right here. You have a new little GIFEG setup. So what I'm gonna do is 1-to-1 guys. You could probably re-enter the trade. Let me see if I have SMT. Okay, guys, get ready. You're about to enter for buys again for the 1-to-1 guys. So 1-to-1 guys, you can re-enter. If you're still in the position for other guys, you leave it. I just wanted to measure real quick how far it is in terms of 6.25. Okay, get ready, guys. We're about to enter for buys in 3 seconds. Get ready, guys. We're about to enter for buys right here. Buys. Get ready. Oh, shit. Wrong position. Okay. Buys. So should look like a good, sexy trade. Move your original entry into break even so you don't lose. Okay. So that original entry that you have, you're gonna move it into break even. Okay. So your stop loss is now the break even, right? About right there, like just below that area. So you don't have much to risk. So you still have playing room at the same time, right? There's still a tight stop loss. And then for the 1-to-2 guys, how do I move this to the left? So you guys are just boom, boom, because I don't want this to confuse you. Boom. So then this is the other entry for you guys. And then for the 1-to-1 guys, for your second one, if you guys want to end on 2% up, then this is where you're gonna close at this zone right here. At this zone right here, this new yellow line. So once price goes up to this new yellow line, then the guys that just entered again at 1-to-1, you guys close, and you guys are up 2% now. Oh gosh, an inch away, a literal inch away, literally an inch away. Holy smoky! I'm trying to put the entry so it doesn't look too ugly. Right there. Bro, a literal inch away from our 1-to-1, bro. Unless some of you guys got tagged. I don't know. I think Ibrahim just messaged me. He said 1-to-1. Unless that was his original entry. How many of you guys are in 2 positions versus 1 position? Manage risk though. If you're in the 1-to-2, make sure you're not in the second trade. Because if we lose, I don't want you to lose big. Just a little FYI. So don't log into another position. This is more for the 1-to-1 guys. If you're still holding the original trade, this original trade, then you stay that for that 1-to-2. Let me move this in a bit more here so you guys know what I'm talking about. Right there. So if you accidentally double down on 2 positions, then just secure your profits. Just secure your profits. There's no need to over risk while it's still in profit as well. I told you right there. While both is in profit. I'm telling you guys, because you shouldn't be in 2 and 1. This is necessarily for the guys that are 1-to-1, closing at 1-to-1. I want to see if they have 2 options, either break even or 2% for the day. Let's go. If we take out this yellow line, then I'm gonna do a little flip. If we can take out that yellow line, I'm gonna do a little flip, do a little backflip. Literally right there. I know. I know. I have this marked up. Ooh. Okay, then it's break even now. It's break even. Break even for 1-to-1 guys. 1-to-1 guys could have ended at 1%. Now they are at break even. And then the 1-to-2 guys were told to leave the position in profit if they entered on both positions. Because again, that's why I don't want you guys entering 2 positions at once, right? So break even for the 1-to-2 guys. Depending on if you moved your SL to be here or not. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check and I'm going to look for any type of I'm going to check and I'm looking for any type of new SMT that can give us this new GIFG. Oh, 100%. The stats are here. I'll literally screenshot the stats for you guys. The stats are here. Oh, Casey just messaged me. Let me see what he said. Oh, no way. This son of a gun. This son of a gun. Guys, you remember that 1-to-1 R that was literally right here? That was so close to getting ticked out? That son of a gun closed there. So he made his 2% because his SL was a bit higher. What a guy. Well, I won't even count that. It's like, I want to see if we make a new SMT here. SMT. We have a new SMT. This is the last line of defense right here. It's a little mini bullish SMT. It's a little mini bullish SMT. Get rid of this real quick. All right. Whoa. Of course, bro. Now we have this little mini bullish SMT. So what I'm gonna look for personally, let's say you're out of this trade or whatnot. What I want now, I want closure above this because again, we have highs here, we have equal highs, we have relative highs, we have all these highs, right? Above here, above here, above here. So I want closure above here. We're just outside the macro, but still in the close range. We have a new bullish SMT in case anyone has their SL on their original. This bullish SMT is the last line of defense here. So I should see an immediate push up in these candles. I should see an immediate push up here and then a closure here. And then I want us to take out at least that high. Damn, that's crazy. Casey just showed me his executions. This guy, Broski got blessed by the market. So again, this little mini bullish SMT right here is going to be our little savior. Yeah, I see what you're saying. You know, the problem is with this setup, Nonya, on the 15-minute, this swing low got displaced through. Damn it. So this is technically a bearish RMR on the 15-minute time frame. This is a bearish RMR on the 15-minute time frame. So this is the things that you have to avoid actually. Yeah, this is a bearish RMR on a 15-minute time frame. So if this SMT gets run down, there's no more line of defense. It's just gonna go down for all this engineered liquidity below. That's all it's gonna do. The original stop loss placement still holding. Still holding. Yeah, there's a lot of trend liquidity below, but as well as above, right? These are the things. This is called a sandwich. Okay, a sandwich is when your strategy is telling you one thing and the strategy is telling you the other thing. So we have a 15-minute bearish RMR on the downside, right, guys? But at the same time, we have a 5-minute, RMR on the upside. So the question is, which one do you choose, right? Most cases, I just stay out of it. I stay out of it, but this is an amazing curve lesson for you guys. So now you guys can fully understand the principle behind, why. And then this would be the entry on the downside, this opposite GIFEG. So then you want to see, okay, is there an SMT at least? All right, and then you'll see, oh, there's a clear SMT, to the downside right here. So that's the SMT here. All right, so one of the biggest things that I say to avoid losses is the reason why we had a retracement to the downside, write this down, guys. I'm dead serious. Write this down. This is actually very important because I need you guys to know this. So then when you're my extra eyes, you guys can also see this. When there's an SMT, an opposite SMT combined with an opposite higher time frame fair value gap, you will see a retracement going down. You will see a retracement going down. This is something I taught to my group mentorship as well. Like, this is very important. Whenever you see an opposite SMT combined with the opposite higher time frame fair value gap, then it's it's a good chance it might reverse. So when you're in a trade, you either break even it or cut your entry there. Listen, guys, clip, what time was that? Clip the time right now so I can give it to my students. What time did I just say all this stuff at? What time did I say this at? Because that's very important information. No, not what time. What time? What's the timestamp? What's the timestamp? Because I'm gonna give that note to my students. I need to clip that. 1:45:20. Okay, appreciate it. 1 hour 45 minutes 20 seconds. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, big dog. We have a bearish internal SMT right here as well. Good job, Ibrahim. Good job. Okay, guys, closure here. Bullish SMT. Now the bearish SMT already happened, so it's fine. It's only when it initially happens. Closure above here. I'm gonna look for my entry, and then we're gonna target these highs, these highs, these highs. And then our goal is to end the day green on that, and then I'm done. I'm done for the day on this because we're already outside the macro. So I'll go again. I want you to see, if we disrespect this, then then it's a very high chance of going down. So it's either a GIFEG to the upside or the downside. Long story short, because we have a bearish SMT again. So if this displaces through this bullish fair value gap, bro, liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here. It's just gonna go down. Liquidity here, liquidity here, liquidity here. It's gonna go down, down, down. It's gone. Right? But if we manage to close up with just this internal SMT targeting these relative equal highs, it didn't go up. So again, we're in a sandwich, guys. Sandwiches piss me off. Again, note that down. Did you lose both of these trades? No. We have one trade that hit break even, one trade that lost, and we had another trade that hit W for 1-1, and 1-1 that lost. Yes, those highs are getting clipped, but bro, we have much internal SMT. It's the 15-minute bearish RMR. That's the only thing. That's why price is moving like sideways right now. Because it's like, what do? Do I go with the 5-minute bullish RMR or do I go with the 15-minute bullish RMR? It's confused. Price is confused. So if price is confused, is it smart to trade? Probably not, to be honest. Probably not. But this is what I meant by the little SMT, the little bearish SMT I was talking about right here. Yeah. Yeah. Now on this closure with this close range, I think it's going down. But then, yeah. But then guess what? You're in a position where now there's a bullish SMT on a higher time frame for Vigo. So this is what I mean, guys. Like price is doing two different things, you know? It's annoying. It's really annoying. No. So we finger cross on sales? No. We don't finger cross nothing. We don't finger cross nothing. We don't finger cross nothing. I just stick to one philosophy, and then if the sales don't get respected, then as if you were looking for buys to begin with. That's what you're gonna do. Because at the end of the day, you know, this is a nice SMT, reacted off the higher time frame. But then what about this? So what about the bullish SMT? Right? This is how this trade would look like. Closure here, stop loss here, right there, and then all the way to this low. That's how it looked like if you were to enter. See how price looks like on the 5 right now. Look how ugly these candles look, bro. Not even moving. No volume, no nothing. I might call it a day, guys. Everything is suspect today, guys. But guys, again, bro, I want. Yeah. 15-minute bearish RMR plus that. It's a bad combination. It's a bad combination. Ugh. He he. He. Yo, Hamuzi, it's Ibrahim. Breaking the day is a good day, actually. Yes, sir. It is. You know what it is? The market's on a 15-minute bearish RMR, but then on the 5-minute, give us a bullish RMR. Right? Looks like a mullet. What's a mullet? My haircut? Or price? I think price. Uh, we meet again. Fato. Um, guys, let's see who's been active in the chat. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna see the names who's been active. Guys, I don't know, man. I see it. Look, if we close above here, we're looking about a 7 point. Uh, yeah, Muhammad, you took a W on gold, right? Good job. And then there's a little 1-to-1 trade as well on NASDAQ that played out. Okay, there we go. Ugh. This is what I want. Okay, let's see a strong displacement above. Why is ES moving so? Why is there so much SMTs, bro? Yeah, but it's looking so bad. It's looking ugly. Patience. All right, so how'd you guys? How was today's performance? It was okay. It was either break even or a small loss, or or maybe a small win, depending on how. How is it for you guys? How is it? How is it for you guys? 48 seconds left. Just make sure there's no bearish SMT into the high, right? So we have a bearish SMT going into the 15-minute bullish revive gap, which is not good. So like I'd size down on this position. Look, you never, ever, ever, Ibrahim, listen, Mohammed, listen. You don't want to usually enter the trades when, or you do want to watch out when we tap into it, making a bearish SMT tapping into a 15-minute bearish revive gap. Okay, when that happens and makes an SMT, it kind of just means watch out. So yeah. How many of you guys are closing out one hour? Trust who? Trust the ticket free. Always pay attention, right? Always pay attention, and then you guys will start to pick that up. Do I have a meeting today? Any meetings? I need to sleep. This is my last idea. Closure above here. Trust me, I can set you free. How can you blow an account on those trades? Like realistically, guys, if you take one win and one W, how can you blow an account? Do you guys see what I mean by they will never be successful traders? Do you guys see what I'm trying to say now? What I mean by that? Take care, bro. Take care. Well, do you guys see how like some people? I don't see how like if it's one W one L, how can somebody Ali saying his friend blew an account? How's that possible? Realistically, you over risk. You are the problem. You have to learn to not over risk, bro. Who's gonna like? You gotta learn how to be accountable. Learn how to properly risk, bro. You should not be, you know. Extreme over risky. Okay, I like this, guys. Made a bearish fair value gap here. This is good. 45 seconds until it closes. Oh. No, 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 no. 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 Ah, damn. Okay, I gotta be more professional. Yeah. We're mixed between two, bro. We have a 15-minute bearish RMR, 5-minute bullish RMR. So I'm just seeing. I just want to see what price does. If it ends up breaking on the lows and going down, then yeah, I'm not interested. I gotta take a nap, guys. Just if it breaks this SMT, it's going to the floor. Yeah, no more bullish SMT. Oh. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship. Oh, it's on a trip. Yeah, this is what I meant. Gold. Trust who? Trust me, and I'ma set you free. You're the real MVP. Yeah, gold's flying. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to knock out. I'm gonna go to sleep. Today was a meh day. The week is gonna end green. Remember, guys, we just started the week right now. It's Tuesday. We got Wednesday. We got Thursday. We got Friday. We're gonna end the week in absolutely and utter green. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that because it's all facts. And yeah, W's and shit, guys. Everyone leave a like. You know what? Let me see. Who should I give an account to? Let's see. Who should I give an account to? Let's see. Who have I been seeing active in the chat? Okay, who have I been seeing active in the chat? Oh no, guys! I have a session at 12. I can't take a sleep. I should have clocked out at 11, guys. I see you, Jason. I see you, Jason. Uh, uh, um, Okay, guys, who's been active? Okay, Godfred, you've been active. You get a 50K account. Shout out Godfred. I just pinned your account. All right, Jason, if you let me sleep in, you win a 10K account. Okay, so Godfred, you got a 50K account. Victor Asindi, you got a 10K account. Who's been active? Who's been active? Who's been active? Let me see. Jordan, you've been active. You got a 10K account. WTU. Where's Jason? Jason, you got a 50K account. Because you're going to let me sleep. So you got 50K. Okay, where's Jason? Let me pin Jason. Jason, type in the chat again so I can pin you. So Jason, just timestamp it and then send it to the AquaFunded. Who else? Who else? Who's active? Who's active? It's not about being here. It's about being active. Whoa, 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 guys! Eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. Eyes on NASDAQ. SMT. Okay. Get ready for buys, guys. Get ready for buys. We're about to buy right now. We're about to buy right now. Boom, buy. Buy NASDAQ. Buy. Buy right here. Stop loss right here. Let's measure how far this is. From here to here, it is, okay, pretty decent. Boom, right here. You guys should be in some profits. Okay, group proper one. Excellent. Okay, 1-to-1 looks like it's about to get hit. Oh, 1-to-1's right here. We just tapped into the higher time frame for buy gap. I hope we did not get SMT. Just to be safe, move stop loss to break even now. Come on. Take that yellow line out. Come on. Yes, let's go. Bang, man. Let's freaking go. Much freaking needed. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. 1-to-1 got smashed. Let's freaking go, guys. Stops at break even. Should be a risk-free trade. Risk-free, it's risk-free, it's risk-free, it's risk-free, it's risk-free, it's risk-free, it's risk-free. Okay, there we go. Much needed. Much needed, baby. Okay, now it's reacting off of that higher time frame bearish fair value gap. Let's go, guys. How many of you guys took that trade? How many of you guys took that trade? How many of you guys took that trade? Let's go. That's what I wanted, guys. How many of you guys took that trade? Took that trade. How many of you guys took that trade? Wait, did you guys close that one to? How many of you guys closed that 1-to-1? I got it. You have to be fast. Yeah, my account's back at. Okay, well that's a wrap. How many accounts did I give away so far? Who won an account right now? Just only reply if you've won. Who won? Okay, Godfred won. Who else won? Who did I say win? I hope you guys microphones on. Who did I say won? Okay, yeah, Jason won. Jason, just rewind the stream after. So Jason won a 50K futures. I already said that Victor Asindi, you already won a 10K. I already said that you won. You don't have to keep saying 17. Okay, Encore, you got a 10K account. And then yeah. So far I gave two 50K accounts. Give a 10K account. Give another 10K account. Let's see who else. Who's been active? Mark's been active. Mark 1590 has been active. I'll be honest with you. Mark, you get a 10K funded account. I'm about to pin you right now. Just use it as a timestamp. I mean, just rewind it. Just rewind it. Like, guys, go to the okay, and that's the winner for now. So Ankur and Gosh, you guys are the last winners. So guys, look, do this. Go to this is how you claim the account now. Go to AquaFutures. Sorry, go to AquaFunded. Go to their Discord. I think it should be in the link in my description of this YouTube channel, right? Yeah, Encore, you want a 10K account as well. So I'm gonna pin you as well right now, so you can use this as a timestamp, and then show the admin or the people that look, I won the giveaway. Here's the proof. Blah 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 blah, and then bang like that. I also need someone to clip the W that we took right now, that 1-to-1 W. And yeah, okay, guys. So congratulations, good works, good job, guys. Proud of everyone. Keep up the amazing work. Can't wait to see you guys thrive and kill the game every single night. You guys are superstars. Yes, all right. You guys are gonna kill it. Good job. And yeah. And any questions you guys have, I'll answer everything on the next stream. Right now, I really gotta go to sleep, guys. I gotta sleep. I'm so tired. I used up a lot of brain power. But yeah, thank God we ended the W. But this is today. I won't even count today as a day, to be honest. I'd be like, even though it's like a little green day, tomorrow's gonna be crazy. I'll tell you that much. Tomorrow is gonna be what I want. Today was a bit of a rangy, dangy, bangy kind of a day. It was a day where there was a sandwich. You know, it was a day for all these things. But make sure you guys pull up to the next stream, guys. I'm live every week, guys. I'm live Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, guys, at 9:30 a.m. So, guys, I want you guys to all be consistent. Who's pulling up to the next stream, guys? Who's pulling up to tomorrow's stream at 9:30 a.m. in the morning? Who's pulling up? Who's pulling up? Who's gonna be consistent on this? Who's pulling up to the stream, guys? Better see you guys there for sure. All right, guys. Have an amazing day. W stream. Peace out. Adios. Amigos. Catch you guys soon. Again, guys, one more thing. If you guys are like, yo, how do you trade like this? This is a bad day, and we still managed to end the day green. But if you guys are like, yo, I want to learn how to trade like this. Again, like I said, the one-on-one is full because I had some people asking me about it. Right now, my students are amazing. They're killing it. But if you guys are like, yo, I really want to learn, I don't care if it's expensive, and I promise I'll lock in and do all that stuff. This is my email. You guys can email me, okay? hamuzithegoat6@gmail.com. So this is my email. You guys shoot me an email, a long paragraph as to why I should accept you in the mentorship. Okay. So you have to send a long paragraph as to why I should accept you in the mentorship. And also, if you guys want the giveaway, do not email me here that you want the giveaway. You deal with it with Aqua in their Discord about the giveaway. I just show them what timestamp you guys want, and that's it. Okay, guys? And that's it. So again, guys, if you guys are serious, completely serious about the one-on-one, here it is. Again, it's full, but if you send me a long paragraph using ChatGPT, I'll check it out. All right, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Peace out. Wait a second. No peace out, guys. Eyes on NASDAQ. Come back to the chart, guys. Eyes on NASDAQ. I think I see a setup. Let's check if we have an SMT. We have an SMT here. Because I feel like the real move didn't happen. Because the real move should give us a more of a, all these highs to be taken out. So look, guys, if we got a closure here, I feel bad for the people that left. This is not a good closure because I want the next candle to close, and then we can do it. I need it to disrespect this opposite fair value gap. My anticipation is that it's going to disrespect this 15-minute. Closure above here, guys. We need to close strong above here. Then we can enter for buys. And then we can have our stops, down about here. And then we can have a pretty solid. Okay, get ready, guys, to buy. 3, 2, 1. Buy, guys. Buy NASDAQ. Oh, shit. Buy. This is amazing. We're about to hit 1-to-1. We're about to hit 1-to-1. Oh, to the T, bro. This 15-minute is just, it's like a shitty rejection block. So right here, I still expect this high to get taken out. To me, this is still close range liquidity. So this is more than a 1-to-1. And now I want us to pretty much fly. I want us to fly, close. I don't like the way it rejected down here. That's fine. But I want us to have that. That's that good closure that we wanted. And then our 1 to 2 areas about right here. So boom, right there. I think that it gave you guys time to enter, I guess, on that little delay that you have, that little YouTube delay. Right here, I'm just going to pretend like this is a breakaway gap and that price is just very bullish. So it's just like a breakaway gap. If we retest the breakaway gap, then we'll be able to manage our risk correctly. So this is that high. Here, I don't want to see a pullback like this. This is not good because then it becomes a rejection block. I don't want price to have any type of form of rejection block because rejection blocks, you see reversals happen between this body and this high, and they usually put the stop loss at this high. So let's not do that. We have closure here. We have a little mini SMT. How many points is our stop loss? Our stop loss is a 6.25 point stop loss. Mind you, our stop loss is 6.25 point stop loss. Right? Come on, tag me. Tag me. Tag me at our 1-to-1. Tag me at 1-to-1. I'm saying this is a breakaway gap, so this is I want this to be respected and then take out this internal high. But when it takes out this internal high, I want to do a displacement so it can at least come close to our 1-to-1 key level. I'm gonna make the color orange. Actually, no. I'll make it. I'll make a. Make it pink. So I take out this pink. Okay, guys, I'm gonna manage risk here. What's the best way to manage risk? Is by observing. About 1150. Yeah, I want this breakaway gap to get respected. You know what it is for me, guys? Let me tell you my thought process. I'm just attracted to all of this liquidity above. Does that make sense? So when I see all this liquidity above, it's like wow for me. Does that make sense? It's like wow. Like we still did not take out all this liquidity. It's just this stupid 15-minute bearish RMR is what's causing resistance with price action. You know what I'm saying? But my expectation again, like if we can just break out of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap, we can start going. We can fly as high as like all of this relative equal highs up here. You know what I'm saying? Like literally. But we just need to break above that 15-minute bearish RMR. Yup. Tag us. Tag us. Oh, just make that a 1-to-1, baby. Habibi, Habibi. Habibi, Habibi. You see, it tapped into that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Okay, I'm going to trail my stop loss pretty much to break even here. I don't want it to inverse because if it comes back to this fair value gap, it's going to take us out. So move my stop loss to pretty much break even here. Literally break even. I don't want to lose my profits for the day. I'm going to be stingy about it. So my stop loss is literally right here. One tick below this line and that's it. So just below this wick. See this candle? This new bullish candle? Just below that wick. Okay, break even. That's it. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Yo, I hope there's no delay on thing. What I said. There's no 7-second delay. Okay, I'm fine with that. Like I said, guys, I still want to end the day nice. I'm fine. I'm fine. Hamuzi's fine. I chose to be a. I chose to be a. I chose to be a. Like you can't get greedy when we're up on a not so good day already. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, chat? You know, back in 1998, you know, when I realized that, you know, we barely survived today's market. There's no need for us to, you know, if it's gonna give it to us, it's gonna give it to us. You know what I'm trying to say, chat? You know what I'm trying to say, chat? You get me? You get me, chat? Close some and left some to run. Yeah. Of course, there's a whole load of liquidity, but today was a bad good day. You know what I'm saying? For the market looked horrible, right? The market was very horrible today, but we still found a way to make something out of it. Isn't that amazing, guys? Would you say that you guys learned something today? Huh? Yeah, so this would have been tagged. Um, again, you guys learned a lot today? Actually? Did you guys actually learn today? For real, for real? Like, you're being serious. You guys actually learned today? Like all jokes aside. Okay, good. As long as you guys learned today, that's what I want. Check messages. I can't. My phone died. If you're in this trade, close, by the way. If there's no thing, if it closes above this 15-minute, then like I said again, we have a bullish bias beacon. And then the next draw on liquidity would be these highs above. Guys, remember how to claim the funded account. What did I tell everyone to do? Someone type it in the chat. How to claim the funded accounts for the winners. Someone type it. One of the winners type exactly what I told you guys to do. No one types it. I'm going to say it. Reach out to AquaTV on Discord, exactly, and then send a proof. Where do you? It's on the YouTube video. Just find the YouTube video. That little timestamp on the YouTube video. Guys, what's better, guys? Entering late or not entering at all? What's better? Let me know, chat. If the move already goes up and then you enter, as a trader, does it make sense to enter or just stay out of it and wait for a better setup? What makes sense, guys, as a trader? What makes sense? What makes sense? Using your IQ and waiting for a better setup or entering late? What's better? Not entering at all or entering late? Tell me, guys. Huh? Wait for new setup. So this is pretty much the setup that needed to happen, pretty much, because all this freaking liquidity, bro. You know, chat, back in 1998, you guys are like, why is price doing this? I'll move it to the left. This is why. Because there's so much liquidity. I make videos about this every day. What does the market chase liquidity? What does the market chase? Guys, I repeat, I make the same videos every day. What does the market chase? Liquidity. What does the market chase? All it does is chase liquidity. That's it. That's all it does, right? But today, the reason why today was very slow is because of the bearish 15-minute bearish RMR. Price just needed to close above it, and as you can see, it did, right? So now what happened is we have a swing low here that got rated. Plus we have a swing high here that got rated. So now we have a new market structure shift on the 5 minutes. So now the 5-minute and the 15-minute align. And then what we have as well, look at that. Holy smokes, bro. Holy smokes. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much an example of exactly what I said. Wait, hold up. Didn't I say that? Didn't I say if we disrespect the 15-minute, it's gonna want to like just rock it up if we disrespect this and just close above the 15-minute? Did I say that or no, guys? Just reference check me real quick. Reference check me real quick. Did I say that or no? Did I say if we disrespect the 15-minute, then we're gonna start flying up, and then that's how I move the take profit all the way up here? Did I say that or no? Double check on me real quick. Let me know. Someone said, yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. You said that, sir. Yeah, you did. Julie said yes. Uncle said yes. Nice. 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 Did you guys learn a lot today? You guys know what the market chases now? Guys, when I say find the timestamp, do you guys know what I mean when I say that? When I say find the timestamp, that means go when the YouTube video is done, the live stream is done. Watch, there's a recording of the live stream. So be like, hey, I won at this time. So your guy's job is to find what time in the stream the timestamp was that I said that you won, right? So then you're gonna show them that, hey, look, I won at this time. Does that make sense? And that's it. Does that make sense? Make sense? Guys, how is trading today? How is the learning? How is trading? Right? There's no way you lost. You should be up. It's either up or break even. There's no way you're in a loss. So you're either up somehow or break even somehow, but you're not down. You guys can't be down. So how's today so far? So guys, if you can't find where you guys won, you guys will be able to find it. Just keep rewinding. You'll find it in the stream. Really? Okay, guys. I think that's it for the stream. Hopefully today was good. Hopefully today was insightful. Today was good. Is everyone in my free Telegram? If you're not in my free Telegram, make sure you guys are in it. Did I miss any trades? Yeah, we were green / break even for the day. We're both. But yeah, send it over my way. Send it over my way. And yeah, make sure you guys are all in my Telegram, and I'll see you guys there, bro. Peace out, guys. You guys want to see something cool? Watch this. Ready? Is this good? Watch this, guys. Thank you guys for coming to today's stream. I appreciate you guys showing up. It was an absolutely amazing stream. I want to say shout out to everyone. I appreciate you guys showing up. And as you guys know, we are the great. So from now on, I'm going to need some clippers. And we're going viral. Because realistically, I don't think there's a better trader than us. We are top 10 in the leaderboard. Who's top 10 on... Who's top 10 on the leaderboard, chat? Who's top 10? Who's back-to-back top 10 on the leaderboard? This guy. All right, guys? Who's about to be top 10 next? My one-on-one students. They're about to be next. So, lock in, guys. This is your year to go crazy. All right? If I can do it, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Like up the stream right now. Like up the stream. Leave a like. Leave a whatever. All of that stuff. Potato, 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 potato. And I'm going to catch you guys soon. But remember, guys, never give up. All right, guys. I love you guys. Have a beautiful day. Take care. Peace out. Bye-bye.